Yep, Chetan.
Yes, sir.
Santosh is going to join.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. He already joined. JK
it's
initial is Santosh only.
Okay, Santosh. Fine. Okay. So we are doing with the scripts, correct?
yes,
So yesterday what we have done, we came here, we have created the layout,
yes,
and so up to here, till here,
yes, sir.
we have done. Now actually, what we need to do, we need to create a program. So that program is called a driver program. Each and every script or smart form will be supported by a program. So that program is called a driver program or print program. Please make a note. A script or smart form will get the data from script or smart form will get the data from a program called driver program or print program.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a driver program. I'll go to SE38. I'll say this as Z del note underscore something. You give any name. Z del note underscore driver I'm giving. So this is called print program or delivery note. I'll say take this as an executable program. Save this. Under local. Now, do you know which tables save delivery related details? For example, I'll go to SE11. There are so many SAP standard tables are there in the very first classes, beginning classes. We might have discussed it, correct? Material details will be stored in tables called Mara, Marci, and so on. And then purchasing order details will be stored on EKKO, EKPO tables. And delivery details will be stored in LIKP table. This is called delivery header. So this is delivery header. The table name is LIKP, which stores the delivery related details, and LIPS is the item table. So these are the two tables. Okay. So LIKP and LIPS. Now, say for example, take one delivery document number. Delivery document number means, see, this is one. VBELN means delivery document number. Okay. So this is a delivery. So this is a delivery document number. A delivery document number can have many items. So I'll just show you some examples. So now take this delivery document number 3371. Okay. There are more details coming up here. So I just want to see the details of this. So now, if you observe, for the same delivery document number, how many records are there? 4 records. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In which table? This is
Like
LAPS.
Yes.
So MATNR means inside this, that means in this delivery document, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 different materials are delivered. Okay. And if you scroll down, how much quantity they have delivered, that also will be there. If you scroll towards right hand side, see, this is the quantity they have delivered. First material 5 quantity, LFIMG means, so this is the actual quantity delivered. Okay. So 5 is the first material they have delivered, quantity as 5, second quantity 5, third 4, fourth 4, something like that. So these kind of details this LIPS table will have. Okay. Now if you come to the LIKP table, remember the delivery document and come to the LIKP table. This is the header. Okay. Give the same delivery document number here. So for the same delivery document number, we have seen the details in LIPS also, correct? So I am giving the delivery document number 800033371 here. Continue. Okay. This is the header table. For the given delivery document number, only one record will be there here. This is the key field here. BBELN is the key field in LIKP table. So if you give one Veblen, only one record will be there in this table. Okay. And this table contains what is the sales organization. That means who is selling this. Sales organization will sell. That means delivery means generally what will happen, you will go to a shop, you will purchase something, a shop people will give you the delivery, correct? So the shop people address, if you want, you can see the sales organization here, VKORG. Sales organization is, what is the sales organization for this? 1000. Okay. So take this 1000 and find out the address for the sales organization 1000. That's what you need to do. Okay. Similarly, I'll double click on this so that we can see all the details at a time. I'll double click. So all the record, the entire record come into the vertical manner. Yeah. Now you can see. This is a VKORG. VKORG means this is a sales organization. Okay. And just come down. Somewhere customer, that means to whom he has sold, that also will be there. See, if you observe, KUNNR or KUNRG will be there. And what I'll do, I'll search in this table field level. So this is ship to party. Okay, KUNNR means a ship to party. KUNEAG means a sold to party. What is this ship to party and sold to party? Are you aware of these ship to party, sold to party terms, or these are new for you? Say for example, I sold, I'm a shop owner, I sold some goods to the customer. So I will call the customer as a sold to party. That means customer address will be sold to party address. Okay. And ship to party. Sometimes customer will say that I will pay the money, but deliver these goods to so and so address, some different address. Okay, so that is called a ship to party. Ship to party means the address where you are giving the delivery, actual delivery. Okay, this is a customer number to which you are giving the delivery. This is a sold to party. Sold to party means to whom you are selling. Got the difference? Okay, so now let us see who is a sold to party and who is a ship to party for this, for the document. See, KUNNR 1175, KUNAG also 1175. In this case, both are same, but sometimes what will happen? Both may be different also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you got some understanding on these tables, LIKP and
Yes.
LIPS. LIKP is a header table, delivery header table, which stores delivery related details. That means common details like who is selling, which sales organization is selling, to whom it was selling, these kind of details. And then LIPS is the item table, which will have the item details like how many materials are there, how much quantity they are delivering. These kind of details will be there in LIPS table. Okay. So now let us come to our layout. So now here what we want to print? We want to print company address. Okay. Here we want to print customer address. There are two windows we have already created. So here I want to print the company address. Here I want to print the customer address. So now how to get the company address? Go to the table LIKP. What is the sales organization? This is a sales organization, correct? Sales organization is nothing but company. So take this sales organization number and go to the table TVKO. There is a table called TVKO. Go to this table. Give the sales organization number. This is a sales organization, correct? 1000. So give this number here. Execute. So once you give this number and executes, then what? There is some address number here. ADRNR. This is address. Okay. Note down this number. 2935. Note down this number. And go to the table ADRC. There is another table called ADRC which stores all address details. Go to this table. Give the address number here. Continue. So now see, I'll double click so that you can get more clear idea. So for this address number, what is the name of this? IDES Deutschland Film something. Okay. So this is the city. Frankfurt is the city. This is the postal code of the particular sales organization. Okay. Particular sales organization. Page down. So see, this is the country. DE is a country. Language is this one. Region is this one. Region means something like a state. Okay. If you want to see for 06, what is the state? 06 means Hesse. This is some state kind of thing. Region means. If the country is India, region will be something like Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So similarly, see, if you want a telephone number, this is the telephone number. This is the fax number. So all the address related details are there here. So getting it. So this is how you can find out. You have to form a link between the different tables, and you need to get the address. So now what I will do, I will try to put the same in the Excel. So that please make a note. So in my program, okay, so I am developing a program, correct? In my program, I will give a parameter that is the delivery document number. Delivery document number means VBELN. So this is a delivery document number. This I will give as an input. So based on that delivery document number, what I will do, I will go to the table LIKP. LIKP table I will go. So in the LIKP table, there is a field called VKORG. Take the field. We have seen that, for example, this field value may be 1000. So take this 1000 and go to the table TVKO. Okay, so if you go to the TVKO table, give this 1000 to the TVKO table, then there is a field called ADRNR. Take this ADRNR from TVKO. So this is 2935. This is for example. Okay, I am saying it's not always 2935. For example, it's 2935. So then take that value and go to the table ADRC. Give 2935 to the ADRC. If you give 2935 to the ADRC, you will get what is the street, what is the postal code, what is the fax number, what is the phone number, these kind of details you will get it. Okay. So once you get the details, you print the details in your layout. We have already created a layout, correct? So where is the layout? ADRC LIKP. This one. Once you get the details in the program, you print those details here. So that is what our idea. Okay. So now let us start with the program. ADRC TVKO. Now I will go to the driver program. Okay. So here I will start developing the program. So I will say here parameters. What is the input to my program? VBELN. Okay. Type LIKP VBELN. Okay. Start of selection. Here I will say perform get data. So whenever you are doing a program, mention all the events. Okay, that is one good habit. And the second one is put the comment lines every time. Okay, so that is, so I will say get the data from delivery document header. So below I will write the code. Select star from which table? First, what's the table we want? From which table I want to get the data?
LIKP, sir.
LIKP. Yeah. So LIKP into, where shall I put this data?
Into it.
Into some work area, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So work area means I'll declare a work area here. Tables LAKP. Okay. So work area was declared. Work area name is LAKP.
Then int is not required.
Into is not required.
Yes, sir.
Where?
VBELN equals P underscore.
So where? Tell me. VBELN
Equals P
is
underscore.
equal to P underscore VBELN. And one more correction here is not select star, select single star. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Because we are getting the data into the work area.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next one. Get the sales organization address. Now we are going to write the logic for sales or getting the address of the sales organization. Now tell me, what shall I do? How to write? Select.
Single star.
What is the table? Which table we want to go? So LAKP, from LAKP we already got the data.
VQRG.
So that means in the LAKP VQRG is there. VQRG is the field.
Yes, sir.
Correct? In LAKP table. So in the LAKP work area now this field is already available.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now which table we need to go? We need to go to the
TVQO.
TVKO table. So I will say select single star from TVKO.
Where?
I need to give into, correct? So I'll declare one more work area here. So no need to give the into, correct?
Yes, sir.
Where? Now tell me, what is the where condition?
Oh, VQRG equals
Not Veblen, because see,
VQRG.
what is the field which is relating these two tables? VQRG. This is the
Yes.
field relating these two tables. So where VQRG
is
is equal to
LAKP VQRG. Hyphen
Correct.
VQRG.
LAKP VQRG. That means in the above statement, in this statement, already we got the sales organization. So I am passing that sales organization here to get the data from TVKO table.
Okay.
Okay. Once I got the details, then which table I want to go? Select single star
Address.
from
ADN.
ADRC table into. So I'll declare a work area for address also. Here what I will do, I will put a data statement, data. Okay, I'll say work area. Okay, yes, for SA sales, SALES, sales. Type ADRC. This is work area, correct? Work area sales, WA sales is now work area.
Yes, sir.
So I'll take this work area, which is a type ADRC. I'll put this work area here into this work area where, tell me,
ADNR is equal to
ADNR is equal to ADRNR.
ADRNR.
ADRNR is equal to
So, oh,
in the above table work
Yes,
area you already have the address number.
yes, sir.
So
TVKO VQRG.
TVKO,
Hyphen VQRG.
not VQRG, address number.
Address numbers. Yes.
ADRNR, not VQRG.
Okay, okay, sir.
When this address number equals to this table address number,
Yeah.
then get the record. Okay. So in this table ADRC, I will take you to ADRC table once again. See ADRC. The field name is not ADRNR. Just observe what is the field name. So what is the field name here? Not ADRNR. This is
Address number.
ADDR number.
Yes.
Okay. So don't give ADRNR. Give here ADDR number. Okay. So after this, we are getting the data into the work area sales. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now, once you got the details into this work area, save, check and activate your program. Go to your script, go to the layout. Go in a change mode. So I'll go in a change mode. Fine. So now address one window. Select that window and click on this button. Text. Here what I want to put. Here first I want to put sales organization address. I'll say here sales org address. Okay, first I want to put this sales org address in a bold color. So what I will do, yesterday we have defined some paragraph formats.
Side heading, sir.
P1, P2 side headings. So I will put this paragraph format P3 for side heading, sales org address. So on now, ADRC, already we got the work area for ADRC, correct?
Yes,
So this is the WA underscore sales. This is the work area. So now I'll put here and I'll take you into the ADRC table. First I want to write the name 1. Okay, name 1 details of the address. So I'll give this work area sales hyphen name 1. Okay, so here in the script, whenever you are giving something, some variables, you need to give in between 2 ampersands. Starting 1 ampersand you need to give, ending also 1 ampersand you need to give. Then only the value will come. Okay, remember this. And then in the next line, I want to give the city. After that, I want to give the postal code. Maybe before going to the postal code, I want to give the short one, that is city and short one both are same, I think, correct? Frankfurt, city also Frankfurt. I can give the street. Yeah, city and short term both are same, so I don't give that. I'll give street. And then I'll give the country. And then after that I want the postal code. PO box.
PO box.
In the same line, I'll give after country PO underscore box we need to give, not PO space box, PO underscore box, and close with the ampersand. Okay. And next phone number I'll give at the end. Tel number. Okay. So this is how whatever you want you can print. So now once you print, if there are any additional lines, you remove that additional line, you remove it, and then now we are giving the sales organization address, correct? So now you may give some 5 fields. That means each one. That means this is called first field. This is the second field. Maybe some 5 fields you are giving or 6 fields you are giving. A group of fields we will define as a text element. Okay, in scripts or smart forms, especially in scripts, a group of fields will be defined as a text element. So now we will define all these group of elements as a text element. Okay. So now I'll put cursor here, press enter. Put my cursor here, click on F4. See, there is something called /e. /e means text element. Okay. Double click on this and give here some name. Maybe I'll give SALES, sales. I'll give some name, any name. So give /e here, give sales here. That means whenever you say sales, all these things will be printed. Okay. Now come back. Now activate the code. Now the code is that means now the layout is activate. Now what you need to do? You need to call this layout in your program. So now how to call this layout in your program? Go to your driver program. Say here perform print data. Double click on this. Okay. So now here you need to call some function modules. First one is open underscore form. Remember the function module name. You need to call the function module. Function module name is open underscore form. Call the function module. To this function module, you need to export maybe device. You need to tell what is the form name. What is the form name we have created in SE71? SE71, that means here for the layout, what is the name we have given?
Okay.
Z del note, correct?
Okay, sir.
So give that Z del note here. And you also give the language, say language. So nothing else was required. Just uncomment all this. Next, an open form is there. Then certainly what else will be there? Close form will be there. So go to the pattern I'll say close form, enter. So there is nothing to give here, no need to give anything here, just enable exceptions and message. Done. So now in between open form and close form, you need to call the particular window. So to call the particular window, we have a function module
Insert.
write underscore form. In BDC that is insert, but here write underscore form.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll call the write underscore form. To this you need to say what is the element, what is the text element we have given there in the
Sales.
window. Remember text element?
Yes.
Sales.
Sales.
Correct. Give the text element here in capital letters. Okay, and what is the window? In which window we have given that?
Address
Just
one.
one, sir.
Let me take you into that.
Add
Address 1, correct. Address 1. Yes. So this is the window name ADD1. So I'll give here ADD1. Enable exceptions and messages. So now once you do this, what happened? Your particular layout, that means SE71 and SE38 both are related. That means both are integrated now once you do this. Otherwise that will act as a separate, and this also acts as a separate. We are not importing anything. Just comment this part. No need. Okay. Now save this. Check this and activate. Now I'll execute. What is the delivery document number we have seen when we went to the LKP table? This is the delivery document, correct? So I'll take this delivery document number, put it here, and execute. Give the printer LP01. Go to the print preview. You can see the address here. Okay. So this is how you will get the sales organization address. Now what is the advantage of this one? Once you create the layout, okay, tomorrow what will happen? This delivery document number will change, correct? For that delivery document number, sales organization may be some 2000. Maybe for this delivery document number, what we are seeing, for that sale VKORG is 1000. But tomorrow what will happen? VKORG may be 2000, and for the 2000 address number will be different and address will be different. So that address will come here automatically.
Yes, sir.
Getting it? What I am saying?
Yes, sir.
So only one time you need to develop. One time you need to create a program. Afterwards, what will happen? Based on the table data, if you give the delivery document number, automatically the sales organization address it will pick up. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now let us go to the next step. What is the next step? I want to print here
Shipment address. RL.
customer. That means, yeah, that is ship to party address. I want to print here customer to whom I am shipping the goods. This is a delivery note. So to whom I am giving the delivery, that address I want to print. Okay. So now what is the ship to party? KUNNR is the ship to party. Okay. What is the number here? 1175. We are in LAKP table. Okay. For the given delivery document, that means for the 80003371, for the delivery document number in LAKP table, you can find out it's sold, ship to party and sold to party. Both you can find out. So I am concentrating on sold to party. So what is the sold to party number? 1175. Take this 1175 and go to the table. One moment.
KNA1.
Yeah, now take this 1175 and go to the table.
KNA1.
Instead of TV KO. Yeah, correct.
KNA1
KNA1.
table. Yes.
Correct. Go to the table KNA1. So give the particular customer number here. Okay. So once you give the customer number, so here some details of the customer is there. If you some street, telephone number, everything was there here. But even then, what you can do, you can take the address number from this, just like previous step. If you observe, somewhere ADR NR will be there here in this table. See whether some ADR NR is there. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, ADR NR. So what is the address number for this? For this customer, for this sold to party 6676.
Yes.
Take this 6676 and go to the address table. Address table is ADRC. Go to this table. Give here 6676 and then you can get the details like name one. So this is the name, this is the city, this is the postal code. Maybe if you come down, you can also see the street. Okay, then country, region, so many other details, telephone number, etc., etc. Now I want to print these details. Okay, so now what is the flow? From LIKP we will take KUNNR. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so after taking the KUNNR we are going to the table KNA1. In KNA1 we will take
ADA.
ADRNR. Once we get the ADRNR, I will go to the
ADRC table.
ADRC table. Okay, so this is a flow. This is how we will get the address of the sold to party or shipped to party. So now today we will print the address of the sold to party and shipped to party. Go to the driver program. So in the perform get data, go to the perform get data. So here we already got the sales org address. Now I want to get the sold to party address. Select a single star from. Tell me what to do.
KNA1.
Correct. Because we already got the details from LIKP. LIKP already we got it here. Okay. No need to write the select query once again. So KNA1 table.
Kunar.
KUNNR. Correct. LIKP.
KUNNR.
LIKP KUNNR. Correct. Select single star from ADRC. But this work area we need to declare. Correct. KNA1 tables KNA1 I will declare.
Instead of TVQ.
Yeah. And here one more work area I will declare.
Yes, sir.
data
Sold.
sold. Okay. So here I'll say work area underscore sold, where address number is equal to KNA1 ADRNR.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how you will get the address of sold to party.
Okay.
Okay. So now save this. Now go to the layout. Go to the layout. So here I'll go to the address 2 window. Click on change. Before going to the address 2, I might have copied everything. Sold to party address. What I will do, I will come here, address 1. I will copy all these things. I'll copy all these things. I'll go to the address 2.
Three.
Now I want to paste everything. Okay. So this is the address 2. But this is not sales, this is sold. Correct? Work area sold hyphen name 1, work area sold hyphen city 1, work area sold hyphen street, something like that. So what I will do, go to replace, wherever sales is there, replace with
Sold.
sold. So yeah, one thing more. So now done. Okay, sold to party address. Now I want to put a text element for this also.
Sold.
I'll put a text element. Here I'll give SOLD. And I want to put this in a bold letters. So
P3.
paragraph format.
P3.
Come back and activate. Now layout got activated. Now just come back to the driver program. I want to print the details. To print the window, what we need to do? We need to call the function module write form. Anyway, open form and close form will be called only once. Okay. So now what I will do? I will simply copy this write form, copy and paste it below. I'll paste below. And what is the element?
Sold.
Now
Sold.
SOLD, sold, and the window
ADD2.
address 2, ADD2. Now activate your program. Execute your program. Print preview. Okay. So now we are getting the sales organization address and sold to party address. Both the addresses we are getting. Now the next step. Here I want to get some header details, like what is the delivery date. Okay. So, and I want to get the barcode. Sometimes you observe the layout, some barcode will be there on the layouts, correct?
Yes, sir.
Have you observed sometimes the layouts will have a barcode? What is that barcode? How to give the barcode in our program?
Okay.
Okay, so that details we'll see now. I'll go to the layout. Go to the details window. That means this window, details, the next window. Click on change mode, text editor mode. So here I want to print some details. I'll show you which details I want to print. I want to print here the delivery document number. Okay. I want to also print the shipping point details, and I want to print the delivery date. This is the one, delivery date, and unloading point if any. Otherwise I want to print this Incoterms. Incoterms means some business terms. I want to print these 4 fields in my particular window. Okay. So all these 4 fields will be there in the work area of LAKP. Correct. So now what I will do? Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, nothing, sir. Tell us.
Now what I will do? I'll put here delivery. Put a column. LIKP-VBELN. Now what I want to do? I want to put the delivery in bold. How to put? Then shipping point. Any idea how to put this?
Side heading.
Only delivery I want to put in bold, and shipping point I want to put in bold.
Sir, character.
Shipping point. Yeah, correct. We
Character.
need to use the character format.
Yes, sir.
LIKP-VSTL. VSTL, I think shipping point. VSTL. Yeah, correct. Then delivery date. In the second line, this is the first line. First line is over. In the second line, I want to give the delivery date. LIKP hyphen. What is the delivery date? LFDAT. LFDAT. And then Incoterms. So Incoterms. LKP hyphen Inco1. Fine. So I have given this. After that, in the third line, I want to give the barcode also. Okay. So barcode. Barcode I will give for this like KP Weblan. So what I want to do is I want to convert the Weblan, that means billing document number, as a barcode. Fine. So now I want to make this delivery as bold. So I'll give the character format C1, but in capital letters C1. So here it will get end. So I'll give like this. See, this is the beginning of the character format. This is the ending of the character format. Okay. Similarly, if you want to begin the character format once again, give this. If you want to end, give the end symbol. Okay. So here once again I want to begin. Here Incoterms. Once again I want to begin barcode. I want to end. If you want to end, give this symbol. Shift to point. After shift to point, I don't want to bold. Delivery date should be in bold. After that, close this. Incoterms part 1. After that, close this. Okay. So this is how you need to do with the mm, character formats. Now all these things I will define in a text element once again. So I'll put a text element. Text element name is I'll put as something, anything I can put. I'll put the here also details. Window is also details. Text element is also details. Now come back. Activate. Okay. Now go to the program. Copy this right form. So window element name is details. Window name also details. Activate this. Execute. So now see, delivery is coming, shipping point is also coming, delivery date, Incoterms, everything was coming, but all are coming together, correct? So there is no space between these, all are merged together. So I want to put the deliveries here, after that some space, okay, maybe some 2-3 centimeters I want to leave. After that I want to start 8003371. Exactly below 8 I want this 08. Exactly below that I want this. Similarly the shipping point Incoterms should be aligned. Similarly this 12 below 1200 CIP should be there. Correct. So that should be the alignment. If it is like that, then only the layout appears good. Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
to do that, what we'll do, we will create something called tab spaces in the paragraph format. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to create a tab spaces in the paragraph format. So now what I will do, I'll go to the layout. Okay. Paragraph formats. What is the default paragraph format? P1. I'll copy this paragraph format. So now I'm creating a new paragraph format P4. Press enter. So now what it was asking, create a new paragraph or copy the paragraph format from P1. I want to copy the paragraph format from P1. So whatever the properties are there for P1, all the properties are came to the P4 paragraph format. Okay.
Then tabs.
So now go to the tabs. Click on the tab. Okay. So first you give here the tab position. Tab position, I'll give the first tab should be of 3 centimeters. Okay. Then second tab should be of 10 centimeters. 10 or I'll give 9 centimeters. Third tab should be of 12 centimeters. So I'm declaring some 3 tab spaces here. So remember the tabs. First one is 3, second one is 9, third one is 12. Okay. So now activate this. Come back. Go to your window. Go to the layout and go to your window. So details window. Okay, fine. Now, if you give 2 commas, see, I'm giving 2 commas here. Okay, 2 commas is equal to 1 tab space. So that means if you give 2 commas, what is the first tab space we have given? How many centimeters?
3 centimeters.
3 centimeters. After 3 centimeters, this portion will be printed. That is the meaning. First this will be printed. Okay. After that 2 commas. That means after 3 centimeters, the remaining part will be printed. Okay. So then I will put another 2 commas here. So that means after 9 centimeters, this portion will be printed. Okay. And after 12 centimeters, this portion will be printed. So similarly, I will try to do the same for all. So here I want to put 2 commas, but here there is no space. The line was totally complete. So what can I do?
You need to go layout and extend that, or else
What you can do is press enter. Okay. So remove the star from here. If you remove the star from here, this is a continuous line. This is not a next line, the same line. Okay. So what I will do, I will say, I will put this LAKP info 1 here and remove from here. So this means that this LAKP info 1 is continuation of the same line. That means this line. So I'll put 2 commas here. After this, I'll put another 2. Incoterms part 1, I'll put 2 commas.
no, sir, after that one.
Okay, so and after that, also after that, character format or paragraph format, I'll put this. And then, so this is how. So fine, all the 3 I put already.
Below ones.
And I'll come to this, the last one. I'll put the paragraph format here. So fine. So now I have done with this. But here, in which paragraph format we have defined the tab spaces?
P4.
P4, correct? P4. So give the P4 for all the 3 lines. P4 here, P4 here, and P4 here. So got the use of this paragraph formats. These 2 I am putting. 2 commas means 1 tab space.
Okay.
First tab space we have declared for 3 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from the beginning it will leave the 3 centimeters, and after the 3 centimeters the remaining part will be printed.
Okay, sir.
Second tab space, when you give, all the portion will be printed in maybe 9 centimeters, if whatever you give, 9 centimeters or 12 centimeters. After that, the remaining portion will be printed. So now let us see how it will print. I will activate this. go to the layout, execute. Okay, so still here see there is some alignment problem, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 3 centimeters are not sufficient for this.
Yes, sir.
So what I will do, I'll go see here alignment is exactly coming correct, but here some alignment problem is there. So I'll go to the layout, go to the paragraph formats, go to the P4, double click on P4, go to the tab space. So in the last one, I'll change it not to 12, I will change it to some
16.
13.5 or 14. I'll make it as 14. Okay, let us see what we come back, execute once again. Now see, okay, it's coming correct. So now it was both are aligned, coming one below the other, so that it will be much clear. Fine. So you know now how to align. Now the next one is barcode. How to make this as a barcode. So we'll see this and we'll stop for today and then we'll continue in the next class. Now let us see how to make that as a barcode. To make the number as a barcode, what you need to do, you need to go to the layout, create a character format. I'll create a character format C2. I'll say it as barcode. Okay, so go here, barcode, there is something called barcode here, select this and select any one of the thing from here.
So don't we need to
I'll select maybe DC 125. I'll select. Let us see how it will looks. So I'll select this, activate. Yeah, I want to create new character format. Okay, so now activate this. Now we have defined another character format, C2 for the barcode. Go to the layout, go to the details window, just give the barcode for this. That means just give the character format for this. I'll give C2 capital letters. Don't forget to give it in capital letters. At the end, close. Come back and activate. Now till this point, if you look at the layout, so this barcode was coming, but this was overlapping. Okay, fine. If it is overlapping, what you can do is you can just put a space in the layout. Go to the details window, put a space here. Okay, so like this you can put the barcode. Fine. So so we have finished up to the details. And in the next class, we will see how to get the item details. You know now, correct? We will get the item details from the table LAPS. So in the
LAPS.
next class, we will see how to get the item details from the LAPS table, and then how to print that details in the layout. Okay?
Sir? Hello, sir?
Fine. Yeah.
Sir, that
Yeah,
text
yeah.
window is not coming for us, sir. In the layout.
Text window.
Means if you...
Which text window?
So you just come to layout, sir.
Layout. Okay.
Sir, the last text.
If I click here,
Yes, sir.
this one, huh?
No, this window
This
is
one
not
is not
coming. For us.
coming.
Yes, sir. For us, our MS Word.
Fine. I told you, no.
Sir, we have done that one also, sir.
Yeah, yeah. What I
Utility
told you, no. Say, go to the settings,
form painter.
form painter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And select this graphical PC editor. Okay. So if you don't select this,
Yes,
if you
sir.
don't select this, what will happen? Wait, I'll show you. It will come as a Word format. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Wait, I'll tell you how to do
But
it.
we selected that one also, sir.
We have tried that one also, sir, but it's not coming. No, sir. Why?
Now what you need to do, whenever you are getting that, click on go to change editor.
Okay, sir.
See what you will get something like this. See, I will show you what you are getting. No program available for processing document. No.
We just select and windows.
What shall I do? Settings. Settings component. And also unselect this. No. Coming here properly. Page windows. Can you tell me your script name?
Okay, sir. Z.
Z?
Z Patil, sir. Just find it.
No, it's not there.
Yeah.
So now, listen. Listen, what I'm saying is,
Yes, sir.
so say for example, you enter your script, okay? Go in a change mode,
Okay, sir.
and then go to this. You will go to the this window. Whenever instead of this screen, you will get some different screen, correct?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are getting the different screen, what you need to do, go to change editor. Click on that. When you click on this button, you will come to here.
Okay.
Try it and tell me.
Sir,
Will you try it now?
Open my program, sir. Hello, sir.
Program, huh? Program.
Yes.
Seconds. Just opens.
Z Chetan.
Program how?
No, sir, there is one. Yes.
In that one.
Script only.
71 also. Yes, sir.
Z.
Z Chetan.
Underscore. THEN. THEN. Underscore. S2.
Z Chetan.
Or scripts.
S2.
Script.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. S2 is also there.
Okay, fine. Okay, so let me go to the
Selected, sir.
any one windows I'll select. Okay.
Okay, sir. For all the
Okay,
windows,
I'll select this address too. Okay, so I'll click on this text.
It's coming. It's coming, sir. But in our system, not
It's coming. Okay. So share your desktop. I'll unshare you. You share your desktop and show it to me. Who is the organizer? They can take the presentation rights.
Okay, sir. Chetan is presented.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Did you share your screen?
Yes, sir. I have given the presentation rights to
go
Chetan.
ahead.
Okay, okay, fine. So yeah, Chetan, show it to me.
Sir, now it's working, sir.
Okay. So even though if it is not working, Chetan, you just go to the here. Go to your screen. Go to in the menu. Okay.
Okay, sir.
There. Yeah. Go to and change editor. If it is not working, do that. It will
Okay.
work. Okay. Fine.
Sir, tomorrow,
Fine then. So
tomorrow class.
tomorrow probably I have some another class. I don't know whether if I get some time to tell you. If even if at all I'm getting some time, I'll call you tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
You just share my desktop, sir. I
Yeah,
have
tell me.
open in that it's coming like that only.
Okay. Okay. Share it.
Chetan, Javed. Chetan, you
No,
give
you
the
are also organizer, right?
cash. Presentation rates you just give me. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So now you can see now, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
This screen is coming, sir.
So now go to the.
One
Okay.
second.
Fine. This is also okay. So not a problem. What I'm saying is now just go to. Go to in the menu. Don't go back. Don't go back.
Okay, sir. One second.
Now go to change
Change.
editor. Yeah. Click that. Yeah.
Yeah. Accept. We got it.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll come here.
Okay, sir. So tomorrow.
Tomorrow, that's what I'm not sure as of now the schedule, because tomorrow I have one class which I will may take around 4 hours or 5 hours. So after that, if possible, I'll call you. Okay.
Sir, you are coming to Bashesh Nagar itself, sir?
We have to go back to field.
Yeah. Tomorrow I'm coming to Bashvesh Nagar.
Okay,
Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, both the days I'll be there in Bashvesh Nagar.
sir. Okay, sir.
Maybe if, some 5 hours or 6 hours I'll be there in Bashvesh Nagar.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So yeah, if you have any questions, you just come to me. I'll just
Okay,
because
sir.
it won't take much
We
time.
have some doubts, so we
Okay,
will
I will able to
clarify
clarify.
tomorrow itself.
Yeah, yeah, and this BDC,
Hmm.
BDC, I told you, no, I'll give some specification that also almost ready. I'll send it to you, Rajkumar.
Okay,
You
sir.
just collect and try to practice on it. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Bye, sir.
See you. Bye.